This clip is about timed signatures and it's the second half. In the first video, I talked about what the top number means in a time signature. This time I'm going to talk about the bottom. So the top means how many beats are in a measure, and the bottom number is the type of note that gets the beat. So in the case of 3/4, it means that there are 3 beats per measure, and 4 represents quarter note, so quarter note gets the beat. So a full measure in this case would be 3/4 notes. There's other kinds. Like 2/4, that means there are 2 beats per measure and the quarter note gets the beat. So that would be a full measure, or it could simply look like this. A half note could be a full measure because there are 2 beats per measure, the quarter note gets the beat. A half note is 2 quarter notes. So besides having a 4 on the bottom, you could also have a 2. So if we had 2/2, 2/2 is not too hard. So there are 2 beats per measure and the half note gets the beat. So if we had 2 half notes in the measure, that would be a full measure. Then here's a kind of confusing one, 6/8. So that means there are 6 beats per measure and the 8 represents an 8th note, so the 8th note gets the beat. So in 6/8, we'd have 6 8th notes, but when you have 8th notes that are in 3s, you can connect them like triplets. So in this case, each one of these is going to be worth 1. So you could always count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, or you could count 1 triplet, 2 triplet. It's kind of a little bit confusing, but in the end, it's these 8th notes that are getting the beat, and there's going to be 6 of them. And that's how time signatures work.